Hi, my name is Olivia Burns, and this is my project on cyberbullying. Social media usage among millennials has drastically increased. This generation believes the trends and standards that they see on social media are societal expectations. The most popular used apps are Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. 95% of millennials aged 18 through 34 are on social media. Users can use a fake or anonymous account to hide their name, making it harder to track who is causing the damage. Cyberbullying is a form of bullying behind an electronic screen and is very common. It takes place on social media, text messaging, and email. Some warning signs you should look out for are depression and sadness, does not want to attend school, and self-harm. To stop cyberbullying, you should talk about the issue, and if you see someone being cyberbullied, you should speak up and report the issue. To prevent cyberbullying, you should decrease screen time, increase parent involvement, and parents should monitor their children's social media accounts. Thank you.